What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I think the last video I put up been 2 years. Been busy 2 years. Gonna try to get back on this YouTube grind a little bit, post some videos and everything. So first video I'm bringing y'all this long hiatus is a new sponsor for the build for the old F350 from Boostautoparts. So we're gonna get into the video and check back with you in a minute. Alright, so we're gonna get into the unboxing. Once again, big shout out to Josh at Boostautoparts. I appreciate him for considering my build and sponsoring the build. So one thing I've been looking at as far as when it comes to the truck is keeping a little bit more updating up the style. When I do a video in the next couple of days of the full redo I did from the last go around, you'll see the full change of what's been done on it. Y'all that follow me on IG, y'all done already seen what the truck look like somewhat currently. So one thing I figured to do, since I have a 2020 style bump on the truck, the newer style Alpha Rex headlights, color match, y'all see that when I do a video of what the trucks look like currently. Figure one thing I'll do is go with newer style 2017 and up mirrors from Boostautoparts. Once again, really big shout out to Josh for considering my builds and being a part of the Boostautoparts family. So he included a hat, some cozies, we'll be putting these to use, some keychains, and a good little magnet. And let's take out the mirror itself so I can show you guys what I'm working with. This is the passenger side mirror. So this is what we have. This is the option with the chrome mirror caps, the clear lens turn signal lights. It has switchbacks, so the running lights are white, and when you turn them on, they turn to orange. And I will be doing an install video of putting this on. I have a 2008 F350, so this will be good for guys with 2008 to 2010 F2 or 350s, but it'll work pretty much anything from 05 on up to 16. So I've got to say, I'm really impressed with the quality of the mirror. Once you see the next couple of videos of what the accents are on the truck now, the chrome cap will make sense for it compared to what the past videos are. So this one has, top and lower defrosters on both the mirrors on it. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the build quality of the mirrors. I gotta say, like, the things really look really good. And simple plug and play application. And like I said, we'll be going through the next video of installing this on the truck. So these will be getting color matched, the plastics, to the color of my truck. So the plastic be color matched black, still keeping the chrome mirror caps and everything. So once again, I cannot wait to get these on the truck. Maybe putting the old ones up off my truck for sale, not sure. But next video you guys will be seeing of the installation process of putting these Boostautoparts mirrors on the truck. And hey, gonna make a comeback, gonna start trying to be a little more consistent with videos and everything, since I have a little bit more time nowadays. And appreciate y'all tuning in and checking in with me, and look out for the next video. Thank you.